जब कोई इतना इंसिस्ट करे डायरेक्टर, और खास करके जब डायरेक्टर आपके बच्चे की माँ हो, तो ना करना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
If they're good looking, they're fine. Wow, what muscles, what 8 packs.
डायरेक्शन में आदमी अक्सर दुबला हो जाता है, पर इससे ज्यादा दुबला होने की जरूरत नहीं है.
रणवीर शौरी, गुलजार साहब और तनुजा जी का ये फनी अवतार हमें देखने को मिला एट द लॉन्च ऑफ कॉन्कना सेन शर्मा's डायरेक्टोरियल वेंचर डेथ इन द गंज.
I'm so thrilled and so excited to be here today. This is inspired from some childhood story that I've been hearing since I was 5 or 6 years old. And now it's so unbelievable that so many people are here because we're making that movie.
इस डू पर मौजूद थी इस फिल्म की पूरी स्टार कास्ट, which included रणवीर, तनुजा जी, काल्की and others, along with director कॉन्कना and producer अभिषेक चौबे. यहाँ कॉन्कना के इस वेंचर को सपोर्ट करने आए गुलजार साहब और विशाल भारद्वाज भी.
कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगी कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं. आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सब वही करेंगे, है ना. तो कॉन्कना को मुबारकबाद कि उनकी पहली पिक्चर है और पहली डायरेक्शन है.
I'm such a big fan of her, and I think she's the finest actor to have happened to us in our industry. And she has direction in her genes. All the best.
सारे कास्ट मेंबर्स ने फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर कॉन्कना की काफी तारीफ की.
As an actor, because she's such a fabulous actress, she understands what actors go through. So she's very gentle and empathetic and almost tender, I would say, which is a rare quality in a director.
When we started working on this project, we started reading the script and discussing. You could see a tremendous amount of excitement. There was a childlike excitement in her. You know, she was like bubbling and bouncing all the time, and she was so excited just to meet. Oh, I'm so excited to meet you and all that. It's fantastic to just, you know, come across this sort of an energy, and it's quite infectious.
I think Coco's very much treating this like her baby. So she's spending unusual amounts of time with us, like really patiently sitting with us with like things like the Bengali accent, you know, which you don't get the luxury of doing with your directors very often.
I've been in this industry for a long time and I've heard a lot of scripts. She's the only director who has narrated the script to me, and I have closed my eyes and have been able to visualize the entire film as she has narrated it to me.
And Konkana shared with us who is her favorite cast member among all.
My favorite is Arya, who is the most important part of our team.
Arya, what do you want to say about Coco?
She's creative, and she has, like, when we were doing the workshop, it was a lot of fun.
और कोंकणा ने इस फिल्म के बारे में कुछ डिटेल्स भी शेयर की.
The film is set in 1978-79, which is such a different world, and it's not set in a big city. It's set in a ganj.
Well, we are excited as you are, Konkana, and we wish you all the luck for your directorial debut.